Why everything you were taught about learning is wrong in the AI era. You spent years, maybe decades, learning how to learn, and then, almost overnight, the rules changed. What if the learning habits that got you here are now the exact habits holding you back? Welcome to the Insight Lab. Today, we're confronting an uncomfortable truth. The AI era didn't just change what we need to learn. It broke how we were taught to learn in the first place. Section 1. The system that no longer serves you. For decades, we were trained in one direction. Learn first, practice later, apply someday. That system made sense when information was locked behind gates, when textbooks cost hundreds of dollars, when you needed a professor's permission to access knowledge. But that world is gone. Today, AI can generate a semester's worth of content in seconds. Information isn't scarce anymore, it's drowning us. And yet, most people are still learning like it's 1995, collecting knowledge they'll never use, preparing for a someday that keeps moving further away. In the AI era, learning backwards isn't just inefficient, it's a trap. Section 2. The inversion. Here's the new rule. Apply first, learn second, refine continuously. Before AI, you needed to understand before you could do. Now, you can do immediately and understand through the doing. If you can't use what you learned within 24 hours, you didn't learn it. You bookmarked it. You told yourself it would click eventually. That's not learning. That's hoarding information while calling it growth. Quick gut check, be honest. Are you watching this to feel like you're keeping up with AI, or to actually change how you operate? Because consuming content about the AI era is still the old way of learning. It's still passive. If you're ready to flip that script, stay with me. Section 3. AI is not Google. Most people use AI the way they used search engines 10 years ago. Type a question, get an answer, move on. That's like having a world-class mentor follow you everywhere, and only asking them what time it is. In the AI era, the tool isn't the advantage. The relationship with the tool is the advantage. AI should be your thinking partner, something that challenges your assumptions, exposes holes in your reasoning, forces you to articulate what you actually believe. Don't ask AI for answers. Ask it to argue with you. Ask it why something works, not just how. The quality of your questions now determines the speed of your evolution. Section 4. The course trap. Here's something the education industry doesn't want you to realize. Most courses were designed for a world where you needed 12 weeks to absorb what AI can now teach you in an afternoon. Endless modules. Certification stacked on certification. Always preparing, never arriving. Stop trying to learn everything. Start building micro-skills. One concept, one tool, one tangible outcome by the end of the week. Learn only what solves a problem you're facing today. In the AI era, momentum isn't the reward for motivation. Momentum becomes the motivation. Here's what keeps me up at night. AI has made memorization almost worthless. Anything you can memorize, AI retrieves faster. But structural thinking, understanding how systems connect, where the leverage actually lives, that's more valuable than ever. The people pulling ahead right now aren't the ones with the most information. They're the ones who see patterns. Everyone else is too busy consuming to notice. Section 5. First principles, thinking. When you encounter something new, don't start with, how do I use this? Start with, what problem does this solve? What are the inputs? What are the constraints? Where does it break? This is first principles thinking, and it's the one skill AI can't do for you, because AI doesn't understand why things matter to you. Only you know that. When you understand the structure underneath, tools stop being intimidating. new technology stops feeling like a threat. AI handles the mechanics. Humans handle the meaning. Know which one you're responsible for. Section 6, the discipline of deletion. 20% of what you could learn creates 80% of your results. The rest is noise disguised as opportunity. The discipline isn't learning more. It's ruthlessly protecting yourself from what doesn't matter. AI gives you access to everything. That's not a gift, that's a test. Can you focus when infinite distraction is one click away? What rabbit hole are you exploring right now that feels productive, but isn't actually moving you forward? Section 7, the feedback loop. The people adapting fastest to the AI era aren't the smartest, they're the most adaptive. They try before they're ready. They build in public. They let AI critique their work instead of protecting their ego. In the old model, you learned in private and performed in public. In the AI era, the learning is the performance. If you're not occasionally embarrassed by how early you shipped something, you're not learning fast enough. Section 8, the teaching shortcut. Want to learn something in half the time? Teach it before you've mastered it. Now it's even more powerful. You can teach AI, and it will show you exactly where your understanding breaks down. Explain a concept to ChatGPT. Have it ask follow-up questions. Watch where you stumble. That's not failure, that's a roadmap. In the AI era, the people who learn fastest are the ones willing to be wrong out loud. Section 9. Build your second brain. Your mind was designed for insight, not storage. And in the AI era, storage is worthless anyway. But AI can't know which breakthroughs mattered to you. It can't connect your insight from 6 months ago to today's problem. Only you can. Every prompt that worked, every mental model that clicked, every aha moment you let slip away, that's compounding interest you're leaving on the table. Your future self is counting on your current self to take notes. If you've ever felt behind in the AI era, if you've watched the headlines and wondered whether there's still space for you in whatever's coming, AI wasn't built to replace humans. It was built to remove gatekeepers, the expensive degrees, the exclusive networks. The idea that you need permission to access knowledge. Gone. For the first time in history, the playing field is being leveled in real time. The only question is whether you're willing to learn differently than you were taught. Not harder, differently. The AI era doesn't reward the most prepared. It rewards the most engaged. If this shifted something, subscribe so the algorithm shows this to someone else who needs it. And comment below. What's one skill you're trying to learn faster right now? Be specific. The Insight Lab community will break it down with you. Learning alone is slow. Learning out loud. That's how you actually evolve. I'll see you in the next one.